Hey guys, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make lemon pepper chicken wings. So let's get into it. So I have about 4 pounds of chicken wings here, and I'm going to be using seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and lemon pepper. And I'm using the Lawry's brand lemon pepper seasoning. I find that the lemon taste and the pepper is very strong with this brand, and it's not salty. So the Lawry's brand of lemon pepper seasoning is a good brand to use if you're going to be making lemon pepper chicken wings. So I'm just gonna sprinkle all this over top of our wings, and I'm gonna give this a good mix. I can really smell the lemon really coming through from that seasoning, so I'm really happy about that. Alright guys, now that I have our seasoning mixed up, I'm going to wash my hands and show you guys what comes next. Okay guys, so I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour here and 1 cup of cornstarch. So to this, I'm going to crank in some black pepper, and some salt. And I'm going to give that a mix. Alright guys, now that our flour mixture is ready, I'm going to go ahead and put our chicken in our flour. Now while I'm putting these inside of our flour, I have some oil heating up on the stove. Now we're just going to mix these in the flour. And you want to squeeze that flour into your chicken. Okay guys, now that I have these coated in our flour mixture, you want to make sure that you're tapping all that excess flour off of your chicken wings. So I'm going to wash my hands and take this chicken over to the stove so we can fry it up. Alright guys, so our oil is hot now, so I'm going to go ahead and add our chicken wings in the oil. Now we're going to let this cook up until they're golden brown. Okay guys, so our first batch of chicken wings are cooked. And you can see they're nice and golden brown. So I'm going to give these a shake, just to remove some of that extra grease. And I'm going to put these off to the side on my cooling rack. And once all my chicken is complete, I'm going to show you guys how to make the lemon pepper sauce. Okay guys, so here's all the chicken that I fried up. So while this is draining, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to make our lemon pepper sauce. So I have a couple of lemons here, and I'm going to zest these lemons up so we can add that into our sauce. And when you're zesting, you want to only try to get the yellow part of the lemon. You don't want to go into the white part because the white part is bitter. Okay guys, now that I've finished zesting those 2 lemons, you just want to gather your zest up and put it into a bowl like this. Next, you want to take your lemon and you want to slice them in half. Bring your bowl in. Now you want to juice those 2 lemons and put that juice in with your lemon zest. Alright, so I'm going to set that off to the side. And next I have some fresh parsley. And I'm going to take some of this parsley and I'm just going to mince it up. You want to mince this up kind of fine. Now that this is done, we're going to go to the stove and start making our sauce. So here I have a half a stick of butter that I'm melting down in this pot, and I have my pot on low heat, and I have it down low so that when I add my lemon zest and my lemon juice, my butter can get infused with that lemon taste without burning the butter. So now that that has all melted down, I'm going to go in and add my lemon juice. Oh, looks like I left the seed in. So to this I'm going to add some ground pepper. And I'm also going to add some salt. And before you add too much salt, you want to go ahead and try one of your chicken wings so you know the salt level of your food, because you don't want to over salt. So I'm going to go ahead and let this cook down for about 10 minutes. Okay guys, so you can see that our lemon pepper mixture is barely simmering, and it's been about 10 minutes, and you can also see how our sauce has thickened up in the pan. You can see when I drag the spatula that it actually separates. So now you want to just turn your fire off and just add some of that fresh parsley in there like that. And now our sauce is finished. So I've put all of our chicken wings inside of a bowl. So now what you want to do is just drizzle that lemon pepper mixture over top of your chicken wings. And now you just want to toss them around in a bowl like this to get everything mixed through, just to make sure you're coating all your chicken wings with that sauce. So I'm going to plate these up so you guys can see what they look like. Now you want to take some of that fresh parsley and just sprinkle it over top for just a pop of color. And there you have it, guys. That is how I've made lemon pepper chicken wings. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put in your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.